Hello guys, welcome to one more video from GATE 2020 and this is question number 49. The question says 1000 kg of liquid steel containing 0.03 weight percentage sulfur needs to be desulfurized using a slag to bring the sulfur content down to 0.015 weight percentage. That means initially 1000 kg of liquid steel contains 0.03 weight percentage of sulfur, and after the desulfurization treatment this has to be reduced down to 0.015 weight percentage. Okay, this is what it is given till now. So what is happening here? Desulfurization. Right now, continuing the question, the quantity of slag needed is dash kg. So here they have some assumptions like thermodynamic equilibrium is present, no sulfur in the slag is present. Okay, no sulfur in the slag prior to the desulfurization treatment. This is an important thing. That means whatever slag that we are using for desulfurization, it has zero sulfur in it. Okay. Now again we know the equilibrium partition ratio is given here. The sulfur partition ratio or the desulfurization ratio is given between the slag and the steel. What is it? So this is nothing but the weight of the sulfur that is present in the slag divided by the weight of sulfur that is present in the steel, and that is given to be 50. And remember, this equation or this particular ratio is actually after the desulfurization treatment. Okay, why? Because initially sulfur is nothing, sulfur in the slag is 0. Okay, so the sulfur in the slag is only actually picking up after desulfurization. That means the numerator part is only after desulfurization. That means obviously the denominator should also be after the desulfurization. Okay, so now let's quickly try to convert them into some weights and let us try to see what it is. So in 1000 kg again, let us try to calculate the initial sulfur content. Okay, so this is 0.03 percentage, that means 0.03 by 100 into the total weight is 1000 kg. So this is how much? So this gets cancelled. 0.3 kg of sulfur is present, right? 0.3 kg of sulfur is present initially. And what about the final sulfur? So if you carefully observe, this is actually the final content, right? That means this is 0.015 by 100 into 1000. So this is nothing but 0.15 kg. Now this is the initial sulfur content and this is the final sulfur content. And it is also said that whatever is the sulfur that you see in the slag is actually coming from this guy only. So what is this difference gives you? This difference is nothing but the amount of sulfur that is going into the slag. Simple. So from here I can write the weight of sulfur in slag. Okay, this is equal to nothing but the initial minus final, right? Initial content minus final content, which is also equal to 0.3 minus 0.15, that is 0.15 kgs. Okay, so this is the weight of sulfur in the slag. Now coming back to the ratio, because we have to actually calculate the quantity of slag, and from the weight of sulfur in the slag and the total weight of slag, you can easily calculate the weight percentage, but you don't know the total quantity. So for that reason, let us just actually assume the quantity of slag that is treated with is x kg. Okay, so now what would be this thing if I just write in expanded form? Weight percentage of sulfur in slag. That means what is the weight of sulfur? That is 0.15 kg divided by the total weight of slag, that is x into 100, divided by what is the denominator? It is the weight percentage of sulfur in steel after the desulfurization. So this is important. So that means the final content. So the final content is 0.15 divided by the weight is 1000 anyway into 100. So this is my ratio and it is given as how much? 50. So if you carefully observe what is happening, so 0.15 is getting cancelled, 100 is getting cancelled. So here it is actually, if you rewrite this, this will be 1000 by x, correct, is equal to 50. That means x equal to 1000 by 50. That means the final value of x that we get is 20 kg. So the total quantity of slag that is actually treated in order to reduce the sulfur from 0.03% to 0.015% is 20 kg. So this is the concept of desulfurization ratio or the sulfur partition ratio. I hope this video is clear. Thanks for watching, guys.